How are you? Right now, what we're going to learn are the different kinds of colors, and we're going to translate it in Tagalog and Bikol language. If you remember the different kinds of colors, we have the red, the white, the blue, the green, the brown, the silver, the yellow, the orange. And now we're going to colorate the different colors while we're moving. If you could see the stoplight green, we call green both Tagalog and Bicol as verde. We have lots of greens here, signboards. Now we could see the yellow signage. And in Tagalog, we call yellow as bilaw. And we call darag. You can see the sky is the combinations of blue, gray, and black because it's going to rain. Blue, both Tagalog and Bicol, azul. Black, we call in Bicol as itum, and in Tagalog, itim. So we are just going to change again the O to I. Bicol, itum. In Tagalog, itim for black. You see the car in front of me is the color is silver. We call silver in Tagalog and Bicol kulay pilak. There's one car coming and the color is black. We call black, yeah, we already mentioned that black is itim in Tagalog. Bicol, itum. We saw a red car, a green car, a white car, and white, we call it as puti, both Tagalog and Bicol. Red, pula, both Tagalog and in Bicol. We saw a blue car, azul, both Tagalog and Bicol. See, the trees are green and we call it as verde. And the roof of the house is made of a brown one. We call it as kayumanggi or kulay kape. I'm going to hear Mass today. And you can see the church is color, the painting is brown. Again, that is kulay kape or kayumanggi. We have the white one, we have the red one, the black one, maroon, silver, kulay pilak, orange, the same, there's no translation for it. And to have a recap, if we're going to say it in Tagalog and Bicol, pula for red, dilaw for yellow in Tagalog, in Bicol, darag. Black for itim, Tagalog, and in Bicol, itom. Blue is for azul, both Tagalog and Bicol. White is, we can say it as puti, both Tagalog and Bicol. Green, verde, both Tagalog and Bicol. Pink, we don't see any pink here, but it stands for, or we can say it in both Tagalog and Bicol as kulay rosas. Hope you learned something today and have a great day. God bless. Hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.